What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. This is Alex, and today I'm doing a trail review on the Polygon Siskiu D6. This is the first time taking it to the trail. So before we get to the trail, please go ahead and consider subscribing if you haven't done so. If you have, please turn the notifications bell on and make sure you like this video, share with somebody who might be interested in a bike like this. Make sure you check my other videos, and let's ride. What's up, guys? Welcome back to the trails. This is Alex, MTV Alex, and I'm back in the trail. And today I brought, as you saw in the introduction, my wife's Polygon Siskiu D6 for a real-time trail review. And if you did not see the previous video where I go over all the specs and I set it up, make sure you watch that. That way you know all the components that come on this bike. I might go over them again at the end of the video when I do my final thoughts. But other than that, let's ride. Okay, so right away, let's go ahead and get started. So this is a medium-sized frame, and I feel okay in here. It's very nimble, really playful, maybe because of the same issue that the frame is a medium size. I think it helps this bike a lot. I usually ride large size bikes. My T8 is a large. Let me go over the overpass because there's gonna be a lot of car noise. Well, while we're at it, let's talk about shifting. It shifts pretty smooth, even under heavy loads. So that's a good thing. As you can see right there, I don't remember what this is. Shimano Dior. It's a 1x10, 11 to 46. And if you want to shift up, you can go like 3 at a time. And if you want to shift down, index shifting 1x1, which is pretty quick and actually pretty crisp and smooth. No complaints there. Now the brakes, I think these are Shimano MT200s. Again, I'll leave either a thumbnail with all the descriptions in here. If I make a mistake, forgive me. Made many two different rides. I mean, riding too many different bikes, different components. So, and I already went over all the specs for this one. I like them. I like the MT200s. I'm actually a fan of them. I have them on my Axum. And let's climb right here. Again, 46 tooth. You don't even need the full largest cock to climb. It's so easy, effortless as any other 42 tooth plus rear cog. Now again, this is a 1x10 and nothing wrong with it. Shifting really nice from factory, no adjustments needed, no complaints there. I like it. And these grips, they're actually pretty comfortable. They're a little different than the ones I have on my other Polygon, and I think I like them a little better than the other ones, but we'll see after riding 1 hour. But yeah, shifting is crisp, smooth, easy, no problems there. Shimano hydraulic brakes, good call right there. The rotors, they do need to be bettered in because this is the first ride on this bike. But once that's done, probably along the ride they're gonna get better and better and better. I don't foresee any stopping issues with these brakes on this bike. So good call right there. Now the suspension feels really good. It's entry level, but so far I set the sag. I think the rear suspension could use something a little bit better. Maybe it's my weight. I weigh a little over 200 pounds and I was not able to get the sag to 30%. I was closer to 35%, which is good. As of right now, I haven't bottomed out. So we'll see towards the end of the video if it did bottom out or not. Oh, this thing is quick. Those tires, they're not too, the knobs, they're not too big. It's not a very aggressive tread, but they're good enough for this trail, like perfect for this trail, and they roll really fast. So I'm pretty sure you can use this on the road with little rolling resistance, which is a plus for many people. So I'm about to climb right now. I usually make this even on a 42 cassette, so I don't see any problems in this one right now. I'm on my largest cog, don't need to be there, but I have it, might as well use it, right? No problems, all good. Let's go to the fork section. Well, that suspension, let me tell you what. Front, I wasn't expecting any problems. No problems at all, no bottoms out. I just did a big jump and nothing. Actually, a couple of big jumps and nothing. The one that troubled me, or the one that I had doubts about, was the X-Fusion at the back. I really thought I was gonna bottom it out, and after seeing that rubber band, it still has about 15% left of travel. Man, tell you that what that thing is, it's actually really good. Exceeded my expectations for reals. No problems for the suspension nor the brakes, because they are bedded in now. Alright guys, we're back at the garage, and final impressions on the Polygon Siskiu D6 2021 dual suspension. Yes, that's all I have to say. It's a really good bike. It actually impressed me. If this would have been a large frame, I'll keep it. If I would have bought this instead of my T8, when I bought that one in a large frame, that's all I need. Really, for the type of trails that we need, that we ride over here, that's all you need. The only thing that might be able to be upgraded later on in the future is the fork, although I had no issues whatsoever with this thing. It did not seem like it bottomed out. The highest was about an inch, 2 inches below. Look right there, that's the highest mark right there on the fork. Nothing. I mean, this thing is really, really good. It's an excellent mid-entry level cross-country bike. No problems whatsoever. I cannot say anything bad about this bike for real. I mean, I wish I could, but I can't. I couldn't find anything bad. Even the rear chock surprised me. Look, I still have a little bit of a travel left. It never bottomed out. Never bottomed out. So, is this a good bike? I believe so. I paid $1,514 with taxes and everything. And I think it's worth every penny. Again, I went over the components before. We have a Shimano Dior group set, 11 by 11 to 46 tooth cassette on the back. It's a 10 speed, trigger and index shifter, MT200 brakes. I got an XCR 32, 120 millimeters of travel on the front, and an X Fusion on the rear with on and off and rebound adjustment. The tires perform great, really grippy, and a lot of rolling. No rolling, very little rolling resistance. This is a great bike, guys. I don't know what else can tell you. Will I buy this bike? If I bought this bike instead of my T8 before? I probably would. I would have saved $1,000 and really upgradable friendly. So these are excellent bike. If you're looking to not break the bank and get something really reliable, I'll go for this thing. It's currently on back order. It's out of stock, but if you can get a hands on one of these, get it. I really recommend it. It's a perfect bike, guys. I wish my wife would keep it, but if she doesn't, if I can't sell it for what I pay for it, I'll just keep it. I mean, it's not breaking the bank either. I might just go ahead and sell one of my other bikes over there. I might end up selling the Taff instead of this one and stop upgrading it, because I don't need that many bikes. But I already have 2 double suspensions than 2 hardtails over there. If you like this video, make sure you hit the thumbs up button, smash the notification bell on if you haven't done so already. If you don't want to miss any of future content, please stay tuned to the future updates, future videos, future builds. Diesel decided to start barking. Cállense. Be quiet. Freya, Diesel. My red Dobies. Yeah, really comfortable bike. The ride is perfect. Feel really good, really comfortable, really playful, really nimble, really fast. I loved it. So again, that's it for this one, guys. See you on the trails. Goodbye.